Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It's Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for January 10th through the 17th. It's been a great week here at Brock Elementary as we've welcomed our kids back in the building from our Christmas break. And it's just been great to see all their faces, get back into a routine, and get going on this new year. We focused a lot this week on, reminding everybody of expectations and just getting all the kids back into all the things, all the processes that we have going on here at school. So it's been really great. Upcoming events this week, we have January 16th is going to be our first grade Christmas program in Christmas in January. So we had to reschedule that um, for an event that we had last month. And then January 20th, the kids do not have school, and so that's a comp and service day for teachers. And then January 21st through the 24th is going to be college week here, and we'll be getting information out about that. It won't be a lot for parents to do per se, but it may be just kind of us here at school kind of talking about where we went to college at and really start planting those seeds with our kiddos. On January 24th, we will have Career Day, and there will be more information coming out about that as well. If that's something that you're interested in participating in, I'm sure that that we would love to have you. So again, more info to come pretty quick on that. And then January 31st is the 100th day of school. It's also going to be a pep rally day for us, where we will travel to the high school for our Brock basketball homecoming pep rally. And so more information from your grade level teachers on that. Again, we have our Christmas program on the 16th at 6 o'clock. We look forward to seeing our first graders perform there. And that's what we have. Fly Fridays. Um, Again, those really start for our kids at 7:40. The tardy bell rings at 7:50. Those are days kids are allowed to wear hats. They bring $1 and they go to whatever a charity for that day. And then Character Trait Wednesday, we've started on a new 6 weeks, and so we're wearing red for caring. So on Wednesdays, we encourage you to either wear your character count shirt with all the colors on it or wear red on Wednesday. The high school cheerleaders wanted me to remind you guys that mini cheer will practice on January 26th from 2 to 3 at Brock High School. They will perform at the basketball pep rally on January 31st, and that will begin at 8:50, and again at halftime during the varsity girls game at 6:15 that evening. And so cheerleaders, our mini cheer girls, wear your uniforms and bring your pom-poms. And so again, that's a reminder from our high school cheer team. And then just some other little reminders. School begins at 7:50. Another thing, when you're dropping your kiddos off, we want to make sure that we're pulling all the way up so that we can get as many kids out of the car as possible and just really make it more of an efficient process for everybody. Um, Lunch times are listed here. And I also added a couple videos that I had previously made, but I felt like, you know what, you may wonder sometimes about some of the stuff. So House Time Explained, I re-put that video in there, and then another video that I had created at the beginning of the school year that revisits Eagle binders, Eagle period, and standards-based grading. And so I think that those are just some good resources for parents. As we start the new year, you can revisit those things. I hope this video was helpful. And again, I just want to say that we're so thankful to have your kids back with us here at school, get back into that routine, and get back to school. So anyways, hope you have a great weekend. Go Eagles!